Holy!
Yeah. An Amber Alert is being issued by the
CAE! Child abduction emergency!
In 2045 at 7:30 p.m. 3 children overtaken. Yeah, 7 p.m. and ending at 2:20.
Los Angeles, too! Holy shoot!
I've seen call 911. Count.
Scientists and political act.
Oh, KCI going!
So let's see. This is okay.
Holy crap! Did KFI or KWO 37 go?
If I went. That's to be legends. Why?
Police Department. On August 8th,
unfortunately, some things get in his way. Training camp and some bad injuries throughout the season. I think he played the most.
and brown eyes.
I mean, it's almost unfair, but it's almost like he's a rookie again. And last year, he had an emergency appendectomy a day or two right before camp started. Season, and that really just kind of put him on a...
What's KIAI on? Okay, so KFRG? KAIA. FM. KAIA. 95.9.
It's not just like, hey, we need Junior to take this step, but then Leon is on a great trajectory to be.
Oh, okay.
Who's going right now? KVCR? What the?
Emergency for Los Angeles, CA, or CA, and San Bernardino, CA.
Problems persist. And if you're a business owner and no payroll taxes, you can the IRS can
California. Isabella Murray is an 8-year-old black female standing 4 feet tall, weighing 50 pounds.
Hold up, is Kelsey going?
Brown eyes. Misha is a 6-year-old black male standing 4 feet tall, weighing 40 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. Alona Murray is a 4-year-old black female standing 3 feet tall, with brown hair and brown eyes. The suspect, Constance Franks, is a 55-year-old black female, standing 5 feet 10 inches tall, weighing 170 pounds, with black and red hair and brown eyes. Constance Franks was last seen wearing a white tank top, a tan dress, and brown boots. The suspect and children are believed to be on foot or using public transportation. If seen, call 911.
Try and make our tiny challenge by being kind to society.
Season, in fact, he was officially placed on.
Okay, KLQ. Three. Okay.
Jane Austen's 200
Someone's going. KGLA? Yeah, KGLA going.
Successes over 2 centuries. But as Jane Austen wrote, one cannot have too large a party. So we are here to celebrate her 250th and invite you to be a part of it by investing in this PBS station where Jane Austen's stories have been featured for years. Just visit us online or reach out to the number on your screen to contribute right now. We've been on the edge of our seats from the very first episode of Sanditon. Over the course of 3 seasons and 20 episodes, there was one surprising revelation after
KLA already won.
Oh, and the characters. Charlotte, Georgiana, Tom Parker, Alexander Colburn, Lady Denham, each one so fully developed and so full of surprises. We could have never anticipated that Jane Austen's unfinished novel
KBMD going. KBMD going.
and we could never have anticipated that
No, they're sub-channels in KGLA.
I got the sub-channels.
inspired such a passionate and devoted fan base.
Yeah, I got the sub-channels.
Yeah.
Your support that has made each
So,
episode and
after
Anyone monitoring WXM66?
each of us
I am.
right now. So the romance, humor, and intrigue
Oh, did they finish relaying? Yes, they did.
can continue. Please visit us online.
KFRG going. KFRG. KFRG.
Production emergency for Los Angeles, CA, and San Bernardino, CA, beginning at 12:27 p.m. and ending at 10:27 p.m. And after verification of
One sec, I've got cupcakes in the car.
Constance Franks was last seen wearing a white tank top and tan dress and brown boots. The suspect and children Unfortunately,
They're going. They're going.
the civil authorities have issued a child abduction emergency for Los Angeles, CA, Orange, CA, and San Bernardino, CA, beginning at 12:27 p.m. and ending at 2:27 p.m. An Amber Alert is being issued by the California Highway Patrol on behalf of the Inglewood Police Department. On August 8, 2025, at 7:30 p.m., 3 children were taken from Inglewood, California. Isabella Mundy is an 8-year-old black female standing 4 feet tall, weighing 50 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. Mission is a 6-year-old black male standing 4 feet tall, weighing 40 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. Alona Mundy is a 4-year-old black female standing 3 feet tall, with brown hair and brown eyes. The suspect, Constance Franks, is a 55-year-old black female, standing 5 feet 10 inches tall, weighing 170 pounds, with black and red hair and brown eyes. Constance Franks was last seen wearing a white tank top, a tan dress, and brown boots. The suspect and children are believed to be on foot or using public transportation. If seen, call 911.
Or the high def.
Oh dear Lord.
Standing by New York County in Southern California until 4:15 p.m. PDT. 3:33 p.m. PDT. A severe thunderstorm is located near Finite Falls Airport. 9 miles southeast of 29 Palms, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Temperature 60 miles per hour with thunderstorm warning force. Source reality.
Dang. That real quick.
Oh dear Lord.
Oh, that's my capture right there. Oh, they messed up. Oh, they just messed up. 89.1 now. There goes the FRG.
Severe thunderstorm warning for the following county: San Bernardino, California. The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has